son, you are so unique. Daily I yearn to speak, and I cry myself to sleep. I want you to understand, I'm a good father and a good man. For your life I have a plan. No wash stream like sand. I miss you, and this has been so hard. On my knees, just praying to God, leaving my soul so scarred. I'm empty without you, breaks me down. What am I to do with everything I'm going through? The love will see us through, substance so true. Thank you for being that light. I need you in this fight. Uplifting my hopes, just like a kite. Winning is an unending sight. We will be together, that's forever. You are God's gift, and you are my treasure. I love you, son.